Hello, this is finding side length 1. So it says find the length of y. So the first thing I'm going to do, since we do have these two side lengths and it's a right triangle, I'll find the length of this line and we'll call it x. So I'll do Pythagorean theorem. 2 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared, which is 81 plus 144 equals x squared. Then I'm just going to add those together, which is 244 equals x squared, and then square root both sides, and x equals 15. So we now know that this side is 15. So we can do another Pythagorean theorem to find this side length, which is x, which is y, which is what we need. So, and in this case, 15 is the hypotenuse. So that's what we said it equals. So y squared plus 13 squared equals 15 squared. So that's y squared plus 169 equals 225. Then you subtract 169 from both sides to cancel it out. And you have y squared equals 56. But then you have to square root and square root both sides. So y is equal to the square root of 56. And I'm just going to leave it in the square root form to make it as precise as possible.